welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you don't know me, my name is Kadiatu, but you can call me Kadi. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial, guys. But in today's video, guys, you know I like to try different things. You know, I just like to try different things and, you know, see how it goes. So today I'm actually going to do something different that I have never done before. My friend sent me this makeup look and she was like, Kadi, you got this. I was like, ah! Auntie, this one looks a bit scary. It looks a bit scary because it looks hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys, and we're gonna see how it goes. The girl that actually done it, she's really good, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought, you know what, I can try it for you guys and show you guys a tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows first, then I'll come back when it's time for me to do the eyes. So yeah, so let's get straight into this video, guys. So I'm back, guys. Once your eyebrows are done, it makes the job easier. So these are the two concealer that I'll be using. The white one is to cut the crease, and the normal natural kind of looking base is just for my first transition in colors. So yeah, so I just went ahead and put that. Now I'm using my beauty glazed, is it beauty glazed? Yeah, beauty glazed eyeshadow palette. Guys, this palette is so pigmented. I don't think you understand. The colors are so beautiful and you can literally create a lot of looks with this palette. So first of all, we're gonna go with like the purple shade. It's like a dark purple shade just on my crease, basically on my eyelid, just where the crease is. Then I'm literally just going to start drawing that line just to basically get the wing out the way. So I'm using like a weird brush just to apply that eyeshadow. Like, guys, the brushes that I'll be using, yeah, don't judge me. I just believe as long as you get what you're going for, yeah, I just use any brush in it. So now I went ahead with kind of like a light blue shade, but obviously I'm going to keep adding that color just for me to get the color to pop out more. So that's like the blue shade that I'll be going for, just with the same eyeshadow palette. So now, guys, I'll be using my Timex palette just to get the other colors. So I'll be using a red color just at the top of the purple. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that before I blend it in. So because, yeah, you don't have much space to work with, so you need to kind of basically apply the colors first before you go ahead and blend. Now I'm going with a yellow shade on my beauty glazed palette, and I'll just literally apply that at the top of the red color. Then on the other side where the blue is, I'm going to apply a green color just at the top of the blue, and I will just go ahead and blend that. Then I would also use the same yellow color just at the top of the green and just blend that out. So I feel like this is my favorite part, guys. Like, literally blending it out is my favorite part, and literally this first step is actually my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie, because everything else is going to be so hard. But yeah, guys, so I'm using like a flat brush just to kind of like cut the crease. I got this idea from the girl that literally done this look. You know, it's better to use a flat brush, like she said. But obviously I'm just trying out different things to see what really works. I feel like that wasn't as easy as I thought, so I just went ahead and used my normal, or I went ahead and do it this way that I normally do it, which is to use a cotton bud to basically shape it out. So just use whatever you feel comfortable with. So guys, I went ahead and clean it off. Now I'm gonna go for my second, well, should I say for my first cut crease. So I'm literally just applying my white concealer, and I feel like white concealer just literally helps the colors to just show a bit more. So my first cutting of my crease was not so bad, it was good. So literally I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my second layers of colors. So the first one that I'm going to use again is the yellow one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the red one and literally just, you know, blend it in together. I'm literally working on both sides because I'm actually doing a difficult, you know, eye look, so I just want it to literally come out the same. That's why I'm working with both eyes. So as you can see, I have applied the red color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blue color. And guys, if you see me looking down, that's just because I'm looking at the video to see what she was doing, because this is so hard. This is literally hard. Like, I'm literally putting myself to the test here, guys. But yeah, so now I went ahead and applied blue. I went ahead and applied blue, and as you can see, guys, I'm sweating because I'm so stressed out. Like, I'm just thinking, Kadi, what are you doing? Like, I feel like I'm just painting my face right now, literally. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my well, second cut crease. Literally, when I watched her video, she didn't have to do all of the cutting out and cleaning all the time. She literally just applied the white concealer, but I felt like it just wasn't working out for me, guys. So now on my third layer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply, it's like a dark blue shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a light blue shade right next to it. And I'm using the same eyeshadow palette, guys. I haven't changed the palette. I'm using the same palette, and I will just go ahead and apply on the other side and just try and blend it in, guys. So after applying those two colors, I'll go ahead and apply my yellow color. So basically, just literally just color blocking the colors. I feel like I'm just playing around with the colors right now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use red, and I'm gonna go ahead and use yellow in the corners of my eyes, guys. Basically, these colors that I'm using at this point of time, she didn't really use these colors, well, at this time. She used different colors, but obviously I mixed up the colors. It was meant to be yellow. Where I put the dark blue was actually meant to be yellow, so I kind of just, yeah, mixed the colors. And I felt like, you know what, I'm not gonna, you know, wipe it off just because I used a different color. I'm just gonna continue, and you know, when I come to the last part of the cut crease, then I'm going to use the yellow and the other colors that she used. So yeah, so now I'm basically doing my last cut crease, guys. Doing this cut crease got me sweating. I don't think you understand. I feel like even my hair is chopping concealer right now. Like, my hair is receiving the concealer, yeah, because this was so stressful. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the concealer on my last cut crease, and then I'm going to apply my yellow color, which I should have done on the cut crease above that one, but obviously, yeah, I used the wrong colors, like I said. So right now I'm just playing with it and seeing what colors work well. So I went ahead and applied the yellow, then I applied the red. Now I'm applying the purple. Then I'll go ahead and apply the dark blue and just blend everything together and just make it work. So sometimes you can make mistakes, but just make it work. As long as it come out nice, you know, it's makeup. So guys, this is the final look. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it might not be the best like cut crease or the best blending, but guys, I really enjoyed doing this and I really loved it. At least, you know, I went for it and I gave it my best. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I went ahead and done some Instagram videos, you know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.